Hi there, students. To quarrel, a verb. To argue, to have an argument. A quarrel, a noun, an argument. Quarrelling, uncountable noun, the thing that's going on. I'm sick of their quarrelling. Okay. Quarrelsome, an adjective. Yeah, the couple are very quarrelsome. They argued quarrelsomely, adverb, for many days. Okay, so to quarrel. A quarrel's an angry disagreement between people. It can be between two or between various. There was a quarrel between the brothers and they didn't speak to each other for 2 weeks. I have no quarrel with you. It's your government that I don't like. Yeah? You could make up after a quarrel, make things better. Kiss and make up after your quarrel. So a quarrel, a dispute, an argument, a row, a disagreement. Yeah? I had a run-in with him. I had a quarrel with him. Yeah? A squabble. I think a quarrel is probably a more serious argument than a squabble. I think a squabble is a little quarrel. Yeah, to quarrel, to have an angry disagreement with someone, to quarrel about something. They were quarreling about money. They were quarreling over nothing. Yeah. He was always quarreling with everybody. Okay, so yeah, it's to fight with people, to have a difference of opinion, yeah, to argue, to disagree. I beg to differ, yeah, okay, to take exception to what somebody has said, yeah. I quarrel with the way that this is being done, yeah. I disagree with it. I disagree with it totally. Notice a quarrel can actually also be the arrow for a crossbow. It's one with a square head, but that's very technical. That's just an aside. Yeah, a quarrel, a verbal conflict. Yeah, I like that phrase, verbal conflict. Okay, so a quarrel, an angry argument. Yeah, very often between friends or between family members. I think a quarrel tends to go on in time. I mean, you could quarrel with the shop assistant about giving something back, but normally quarrel has an idea of a longer duration. Yeah, the couple were always quarrelling. They were always rowing. Yeah, a diplomatic quarrel. Yeah, between two countries. Okay, so an angry argument. It's best not to quarrel if you can avoid it, but well, you need to stick up for your point of view as well. Yeah, the kids were quarrelling about who would go first. Yeah, I have no quarrel with the conclusions that you've made. I can't find fault with them. I don't think there's anything wrong with them. Okay, they are terribly quarrelsome. These people. Yeah. Okay, yeah, he quarrelled about the difference in price. Yeah, okay, so to argue, to disagree, to scrap. Yeah, a little misunderstanding would be a quarrel. Yeah, when people dissent, there's a wrangle about different things. Yeah, there's a clash of characters. Yeah, you quarrel with something or quarrel with someone, to argue with, to oppose. Yeah, you're not really happy about it. Okay, to quarrel, formality 5, use anywhere. Quarrelsome as an adjective, maybe I'm going to give it a 6. Just a touch more formal. And then as to origin, well, there's a Middle English word, querel, an argument, an altercation, which comes from Latin querela, an argument or a dispute, from the verb, queror, I think, to dispute, and that itself comes from Proto-Indo-European ques, to sigh. Yeah, so you sigh, you sigh because you've had a quarrel. So it was just a silly little quarrel. It wasn't anything important. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Quarrelsome.